From the moment Bangladesh gained independence, it found itself in one of the most sensitive geopolitical zones in the world. India faces two major security fronts: Pakistan in the west and China in the north, while keeping a strategic eye on our eastern borders. For India, Bangladesh must remain stable, but never too powerful to disrupt the balance. Too strong, and we become a strategic concern. Too weak, and our sovereignty risks erosion. Scene: military parade visuals fade to chain of command graphic. The truth is, controlling a nation often begins with controlling its leadership and defense structure. Our armed forces, Army, Navy, and Air Force, were born from the Liberation War. But unlike major powers, Bangladesh has no permanent unified command. In the United States, the President serves as Supreme Commander. But operational control lies with the Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee and Unified Regional Commands. This ensures fast, coordinated action across land, sea, and air. Scene: graphic of confusion in wartime command in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, wartime raises critical questions. Who commands the army? Who directs the navy? Who deploys the air force? Without a higher defense organization, coordination remains uncertain. Other nations adapt to changing geopolitics. The US, once focused on the air-land battle doctrine for Europe and the Middle East, shifted to maritime strategy when analysts predicted an Asian century. They positioned small mobile forces across Australia, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Singapore, ready to respond instantly in strategic waters. For Bangladesh, the lesson is clear. We must craft our own national security doctrine, shaped by our geography and needs. A permanent joint staff committee with a clear chain of command could secure our independence and protect our place in a rapidly changing world.